Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Kwejosafo. I'm right here in front of Kantanka Automobile Company. That is Ghana's first automobile company in this country. Yes, Ghana's first automobile company and one of Africa's biggest automobile company. We are looking forward to being the biggest automobile company on the continent of Africa. But of course, some time ago last year, we spoke to you or we talked about a vehicle called Kantanka Boafo. Yes, Kantanka Boafo. And we had most of our customers asking that we create or we build a roof over the rider. And today I am here to introduce to you the new Kantanka Boafo. Now, I just want to let you know that if this is your very first time chancing my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kwejosafo Studios. But it is not just the first timers only. If you are also watching and you've not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Now, let's do this. Come with me. So, this is the front view of Kantanka Boafo. It comes with this nice grill, very hard. I mean, this is very, very strong. Yes, this is very, very strong with these two headlights to help you drive better at night, giving you the brightness that you need. Yes, giving you the brightness that you need. So initially with the old Kantanka Boafo, like I said, there wasn't any roof over here. But because of how valuable, because of the respect that Kantanka Automobile has for its customers, and also we, cherishing you. Because if you are not there, we are not there. If you don't buy this, it means that we are not going to get money to produce more or to produce great inventions for you. Like I've told you this year, at the beginning of this year, I told you that there are going to be a lot of inventions by Kantanka Automobile. So we did the first Kantanka Boafo and you guys liked it. Now I'm showing you. So this is the front view with these two headlights and with this nice roof. Now come with me. So you can pass this side so that, okay, now no problem. So this is the new Kantanka Boafo, and this time around we have our engine right here. This is a one-stroke single cylinder. Yes, a one-stroke single cylinder engine, and this one, it uses petrol. Yes, this engine uses petrol, and it has got a water cool over here. This helps to cool the engine while it is working so hard. Yes, it helps in cooling the engine while it is working so hard. Let me sit inside for you to see how everything is. So I feel good. If you are to use this in the sun, okay, if you are to use this in the sun, you are good to go. And it has this electronic screen over here, just like what you are saying. There is one thing that I want to let you know. With Kantanka Boafo, it is actually built for traders. It is built for farmers. It is built for construction sites or people working in the construction sites industries. In fact, anybody who would want to use this vehicle for something great or for occupational or work purposes, this is the vehicle meant for you. And this is built by Ghanaians. I didn't show you something. You just check the tie. You just check this tie. How do you see this? I'm only asking you a question. This vehicle comes with 4 ties. Yes, 4 ties. This is 4 ties. Now, looking at this, let me sit here for you to see everything. Looking at this, it means that if you are walking through muddy areas, or if you are climbing mountainous areas or hills, this vehicle or this machine from Kantanka Automobile has the strength. I repeat, it has the strength to take you to wherever you are. It has the strength to be able to work in muddy areas, work in rain, and it is very, very strong. One of the things that most people look out for when buying something like this is the fuel efficiency or the fuel consumption. This doesn't consume fuel. I have to be very honest with you. It doesn't consume fuel. This is 12 liters and has a 25 auxiliary tank. Can you believe that? And you can use this as many hours as you want. You can even use this for days without even refueling. And that is why I would recommend this for you. That is why I am going to recommend this for you. Before we move on to the load capacity and me telling you more about this vehicle, please do well. I'm begging you, like this video. Please do well to like this video and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. I have a membership platform that you can also join for a rate of $5 every month. Yes, $5 every month, where I can give you exclusive videos just for you, or I can give you videos that you watch first, you ask me, or you make all your inquiries, then I post it for the public to watch. Now come with me, let's see something. So we have over here the tipping bed. I'm going to display the tipping bed, but this is a 1,500 kilogram capacity, load capacity. Let them see. I mean, I want them to see the interior. So 1,500 kilogram capacity. It means that if you are working in the construction site, okay, if you are working in the construction site, you can use this. You can use this to go in for sand. Yes, you can use this to collect sand, collect as many as you want, and you have this tipping bed that you wouldn't have to go in for people to come and help you take your stuff from this place. So this is 1,500 kilogram or 1.5 tons of load capacity. So my traders, my farmers, you have this to be helping you. I'm going to display the tipping capacity or the tipping bed for you to see. Let's check it out. Woo. Okay, so this is the tipping bed. Yes, this is the tipping bed of Kantanka Boafo. So it can go as high as you want to. Yes, this can go as high as you want to. That is how this works. So you can check. This has properly built for our farmers, for our traders, for construction workers, for industry workers, for anybody. For in fact, you can buy this for your personal use. Yes, you can also buy this for your personal use. The most important question that you are asking is, how much is this going for? How much is this going for? And if I mention the price too, is there any payment plan? Of course, this is going for 65,000 Ghana cedis. 65,000 Ghana cedis. And if you want to opt for a payment plan, you can pay 35,000 Ghana cedis. As we speak currently, we are done with the production of first batch. That you see, we started, with this publicization last year, December. We told people that you can buy this or you will pay an installment. When we are done, you pay the full. So we are done with the first batch. We are done with the first production. Second production is ongoing, I mean, as I speak to you, and will be done latest April ending. I repeat, will be done latest April ending. So please, if you are watching me, you can pay full in cash, 65,000 Ghana cedis, or you pay 35,000. When we are done, then you pay the additional 30,000 Ghana cedis. No company is going to do this for you. You are having 1 year warranty on this. I repeat, 1 good year warranty on this. And also, aside having 1 year warranty, you are also going to get free. You are going to get your first servicing will be done by Kantanka for free. Can you imagine? We are giving you all this. This is from Kantanka Automobile. Call us on 0242 037 429. If you are watching us and you are a white man from any of the European countries or from any of the American countries, then you must call us by dialing star 223, star 233. Sorry, star. I'm sorry, just like what you are seeing on the screen, +233, sorry, +233. Then you add the rest of the numbers that you are seeing on the screen, +233. But from Ghana, you call us on 0242 037 429. Maybe you would like to talk to me personally for you to get more insight about this. Call me on 054 746 2581. American, Europeans, +233, then you include the number. 65,000 Ghana cedis only. 65,000 Ghana cedis. This is the Kantanka Boafo. I'm ending this video. Then you take your time and watch the full video of this vehicle. I've taken my time to upload a full video of this vehicle. My name is Nana Kojosafo. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.